3 of the 4 savvy steps to get you from here to trading. Now with those 3 things, the 4th one, do it. Make it happen. That's it. So now that you know what you need to do to get from where you are to trading, find education, practice, assessment, find those things that can help you get there. There's lots of good teaching here on the web. And so with that, take that list of things and use that to kind of maybe search out where maybe some free education is. But let me tell you, mine isn't free, but I'll tell you, it's the real deal. It is the full package. It is my program, 21 Days to Stock Market Investing. I assume it's a money reverse program built by me, taught by me, and I have graduates of this program that will give testimonials, and I have some testimonials at the end here. I assume that, just like in the Stock Savvy sessions, I assume that you have no knowledge of our stock market. I assume that you've just been dropped on planet Earth and know nothing about our financial markets, and in 21 days, you will be trading. Actually, in 8 days, you will be trading. Your day 8 homework is to make a stock purchase. I've taught you how to set up stock trades, how to research in 8 days. So if you say that's fast, if you think that's fast, say that's fast. Type it in the chat, say that's fast. Now the course is online, just like your Savvy Stock Sessions. It's an online course in Money Reverse University, and it has live web teaching. I'm not going to send you out there with videos by yourself. Maybe you'll get to it today, maybe you won't. We're going to set a schedule, and I'm going to say, meet me here. I'm going to teach you live. Now, even if you can't make it live, it's going to be just like the Stock Savvy sessions. It's going to be recorded, and the videos are going to be placed in your class area, so you can go back and either see them again and again, or for the first time if you have to miss a live session. Now, there are 3 classes in these 21 days. So the 21 days is elapsed time. So there's 3 live classes, one every 7 days. And so they're on Sunday evenings. Each class is long. It's 2.5 hours. So for 2.5 hours, you're going to be talking about stock market with Carolyn Williams. I'm going to talk for 2.5 hours for 3 weeks. I love it. Don't you know I love it? I know that sounds crazy, but I love it. You're going to have homework to do. You're going to have resource guides that you can download. There's going to be group learning and live coaching. I am going to be here. This is not send you off to a video class by yourself. This is not go read it or an email course coming to your email. It's going to be just like the Stock Savvy sessions, where you're going to know your fellow students. You're going to know your tribe, and you're going to get going pretty quickly. So let me tell you a little bit more. Now, what we have, even as those 3 days of live teaching, after that, I'm going to turn you loose, and you're going to be trading with me virtually for 60 days. That's 2 months. And that's where you're going to be making stock trades against this real market right now, but you're going to be using virtual money. We're going to set up everybody a virtual account, virtual trading account. It's going to have $2,000 in it. And you're going to have homework, and your homework is to actually go out there and trade doing the exact same things that I taught you in class. And I'm actually going to grade you and give you a score just like you're in school. And we're going to have a midterm. We're going to have a midterm checkup. I'm going to pop you on the hand if you're not doing things. And I'm going to make sure that after 60 days, you have done what it is that I told you to do and what I'm teaching you to do. And it's going to be teaching you how to trade in a way that's solid and in a way that fits you. And the way we're going to know that that fits you is at the bottom here. We're going to do a personal investing personality assessment. We're going to go through, you're going to get a day 8, I think, you're going to get an assessment in which you're going to answer questions, and we're going to determine your investing personality. You're going to know yours, you're going to know mine, and you're going to know everybody in your class's investing personality. That way, if one person says, hey, I like this stock, this is what I want to do, and you look at it and you go, thank you very much, thanks for the warning. You are on the exact opposite scale of me, and I actually put them together in a scale so you can see I am an exact polar opposite of this person in terms of investing personality. So of course, the things that they say that they would do sound crazy to me. That is what you should do. Please don't follow people that are not on your same vein. So that's important. And so I think that's one of the most important things is you start to learn you. And because we want to set your investments up so that they match you. You've got to be able to sleep at night. And if you've set up something in which you need to sit in front of the screen all day, that's not going to work for you. Let's don't even go there. Some people do, but if that doesn't work for you, then let's not even try it. Now, you get lifetime access to this class. It's not like you're going to take the class and it's going to go away in 6 months. The reason that you see the other classes out in Money Reverse University, that's because there's 2 other classes that people have taken, and they come back to this and reference it on a regular basis if they need to. So again, you have lifetime access to these classes. Now, after that 60 days is over, you've graduated from class 60 days. I don't say bye-bye. I say, come on over here. I got a tribe over here. You know how I talked about my warm tribe in which I'm doing live teaching every month on advanced topics? That's where you get 6 months of that tribe. 6 months, not 60 days, 6 months. And you're going to be in that tribe. It is a Facebook group. And every month we have live advanced teaching. And with that, you are going to learn everything from stock watching. You're going to learn about market sectors. We're going to talk about the healthcare sector, the financial sector, talk about technology. I also have a $10,000 portfolio in which I give you reports every month, and I show you what's in my portfolio and how it's working, how it's going. And so then we also have, that's tracking Carolyn's 10K. And there's more in the group. I can tell you more about it, but I don't want to spend all that time. I want to tell you about the price of the course. Now, this course is over here at the left here, great value at $1,299, $1,299. That gets you a 9-month experience with me. That gets you a 9-month experience. Even though I say 21 days of stock market investing, when you add that 60 days of virtual trading plus that 6 months of that group, that gets you 9 months. Now, what I have for you, and these are the class dates starting February 11th. They're on Sunday. All the live classes are on Sunday evening at 5 p.m. February 11th, February 18th, and February 25th. Now, your Stock Savvy deal price, $9.99 per student. So if you want to join my next class that's coming up in a few weeks, it's $9.99 with a one-time payment. Now, if you say, okay, I can't do $9.99 at one time, then you can have a 3-month payment plan. Again, we're going to trade for 60 days. We're going to have 21 days of class and 60 days of virtual trading. So I'll let you pay this off in 3 months. You can pay $349 when you join, and then for the next 2 payments, you can do the same thing, $349. There's a little bit of premium there, meaning the whole total cost of the course in that vein would be $1,047. But that way you can pay it off on a monthly basis and make 3 equal payments. Now, this course is, just like your Stock Savvy session, is in Money Reverse University. A lot of you are already a part of Money Reverse University. Now, what you do when you register, you have to use the coupon code of SAVVY to get this price. Otherwise, it's going to come up to the $12.99. So again, go ahead. It's out there and it's waiting for you. Now, let me show you. Even though the class doesn't start until February 11th, I have some extra early bird bonuses for you if you want to register between now and then. You don't have to wait till February 11th to start. And let me show you what you get. For bonus number 1, I am going to give you, it's already a teaching that's available for you, and it is Brokerage 101. Select a broker with confidence. Now, this is a teaching that's 16 minutes and 20 seconds. This is, if you don't have a brokerage account and don't know where to start, this shows you how to get started. There's 9 key brokerage shopping questions that you can ask yourself. And there's a brokerage worksheet. I talk about the brokers that I have and why I like them. And then you can use this information to see and find a broker that works best for you. So if you don't know where to start, this is a great teaching. To buy any stock, you're gonna have to have a brokerage account. There's no other way that you can buy stock without a brokerage account. So this is one bonus that you get. The second bonus that you get is another teaching, and this is 6 simple steps to stock watching. Remember how I said you need to really know and understand markets and know how to watch stocks? This shows you how to watch stocks, and it shows you how to set stock watching up on your phone, and you can watch stocks in just 45 seconds a day. Follow this prescription, 45 seconds a day. I promise you, that's what it takes. All of my students do this. They have it on their phones, and I tell you exactly what to put on your phone and how to set it up. And this is a very valuable teaching. And you can do this right now. You don't have to wait till class starts. So again, bonus number 2, 6 simple steps to stock watching. This is a teaching that I did for that graduates group, and I will share this with you for everybody that registers for the class, and you can get that right now. Now, let me tell you about this course. I have a money-back guarantee, and let me tell you what my guarantee is. It says that this is going to provide you the education to research and trade stocks and ETFs after completing the 21 days of coursework and 60 days of virtual trading, or you'll get your money back. You're going to know what you're doing after this. You're not going to walk out of this class and not remember it. You're going to have it. Now, in the fine print down here, what it says below that, it says, in order to claim your money back guarantee, you need to be present in the live sessions. This is not what, if you say, hey, I can't make the live sessions, then the money back guarantee are for those people that really engage and are there for every live session and complete every homework assignment. So if you attend every live session, complete every homework assignment, and you tell me you don't know what you're doing, I'll give you your money back. I will give you your money back. But if you don't engage, then I can't really say, you can't say, hey, I changed my mind. No, not with the virtual education. So, but I am so confident that I will put this guarantee out there. I've had so many people that tell me, Carolyn, this worked for me. And here's some of the testimonials from different people that have taken the course. This one over here that said, I have placed my first order for a mutual fund using the knowledge you shared with us. This individual left the class, went home. The next day, I got an email that they were trading. We weren't even finished with class. They left a day 8 session and went and bought mutual funds. And I went, what? You did what? And this person said, yeah, I had the money. I just didn't know how to do it. And I didn't know what to do. But they went and bought the next day. So there's some testimonials there of people that say, yeah, I've taken it and it works. So again, I want to just share with you the Stock Savvy deal. 21 days to stock market investing. Class starts February 11th. Now, by being a part of the Stock Savvy sessions, you can get this class for $9.99 per student. Or you can have, that's a one-time payment, or you can have 3 monthly payments of $349. And I promise you, if you say it's time for me to invest in the stock market, then this is the way to go. If you say, I really want to just get some more knowledge, then I get it. And so that's where I wanted to give you that list of what you need next. So you can still go research some other things, some other areas in which you can get some of those other things: fundamental analysis, technical analysis, investing personality, really understanding our markets, understanding sectors, understanding what the indices are, the Dow, the NASDAQ, and how they're trading. You can get a lot of that with some no-cost teaching. I found some here on the web of some people that I like, some people that I don't like. But you can find some that fits you. There's no reason for you to sit and not learn. There's no reason for you to sit and not learn this if this is an interest that you have. Okay, I am happy to answer all of your questions. Okay, let me see if I can get to where I can see the chat. Did that make sense to everybody? If that made sense, give me some thumbs up. Let me get some thumbs up this time. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. Oh yeah. I see some hearts and some thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Very good teaching. Wow, that's fast. Yeah, it is. I'm telling you, day 8, you got homework that's going to be trading in the market. Yeah, that's fast. Just do it. Okay, good deal. Oh yeah, I'm looking at what you guys know. That's good. That's good. Excellent. Now, let me see. I'm going to actually, now that I've looked at the chat, I'm going to actually stop anybody have any questions about any of the things that I shared about 21 days to stock market investing? I don't want to take the slides down if you want me to go back to a slide or two. So the way that you register is you go to Money Reverse University, which is where your class area is, and basically you register for the course. The course starts. The stock savvy deal, I'm not going to end that. I'm going to leave it out there until I close the course. And when we start on the 11th, I think I close the course on that Friday before, which is the 9th. So that stock savvy deal, make sure if you want to register, use a coupon code of SAVVY. And I'm going to send this to you via email using the email that you signed up with. I'm going to actually stop the slides now. Hold on. Okay. Any other questions? How's everybody doing? Okay, say good. It makes sense. It makes sense. Good, good, good. I would love to have you continue with me. Now, I'm going to tell you that if you say you are ready to invest the time and the money, then this is the way to go. If it's not the time for you, I completely get it, but I don't want you to stop here. I do not want you to stop what you've learned this week and just go on hiatus. I want you to continue learning. Look for some other things. If you don't want to go with my course, I understand. It is not cheap, but I over-deliver. I promise you I over-deliver. And again, what I'm doing with this year in the what I call the Graduates Forum, you also have a library of I think it's 89, almost 90 videos of advanced teaching that's already there. You get access to these videos once you come out of the 60 days of virtual trading. Now, some of these videos are everything, and they're videos, I'm setting them up as recipe cards. I know it sounds crazy. But if you say, hey, I've taken the class, but I haven't traded yet, what do I do? So I have a recipe card that tells you the 5 videos that you need to watch to tell you how do you get going. Brokerage 101, stock market, stock watching, how much stock can I afford? We look at what your portfolio size is and see how much stock can you afford. We look at your investing personality. How should you be investing? I mean, there's different videos out there, and I put them together in recipe cards so that you can say what your problem is, and you can go out there, and I have it listed as which 4 videos you need to watch of these 90 videos. And that's because I do all of this teaching every month, and I've been doing this for a while. So with that, that's where I can go and pull some extra teachings out, is because I have a library of 100 teachings already, and they're all advanced market concepts. So I would love to give you guys one more bonus teaching if you're interested. So if you have something that you're interested in before Stock Savvy sessions, and kind of share if you're interested in additional teaching, and I'll see if I have something in my library that I'll just put in the class area as a goodbye from Stock Savvy sessions. So, okay. What is the last day to get the 2 bonuses? Oh, good question, Mozella. I'm going to leave the bonuses out there. So I said early bird bonuses, but for Stock Savvy, I'm going to leave them out there. I think that if you registered even on the last day, I'll leave the bonuses out there. How about that? And if anybody wants to have a conversation with me, message me here on Facebook, and I'll set up some time for us to talk. If you want to kind of talk through it, you know, kind of ask me where you are and kind of see, is this the right time for you? Or if you have any questions in which you want to talk to me and hear my voice talking directly to you, I am definitely open to that. We can get on the phone, or I can do a video meeting that's a private meeting with just you and I. Does that sound interesting to anybody? Okay, good deal. Just send me a message and let me know. I will send you a link to get some time on my calendar, and we can definitely talk through it. I would love to have you in the class if you want. If this is the time for you, then I'm going to say this is the way to go. I don't want to. The reason that I did the Stock Savvy sessions is that I want to get information out there so that I can start educating people on what the Lord has told me to share. But I also wanted to share with you my teaching style and my philosophies. A couple of things that I said is knowing you and doing that assessment. The other thing I said is I'm not one to do fly-by-night fads, and that's not what I do. Someone was asking me about, Bitcoin or marijuana stocks. I'm not chasing things like that. There's nothing wrong with it, but that's just not where I'm being led to do. I'm just not. I don't chase the fads like that. I look for solid companies because I cannot sit in front of a screen and watch the market all day in case this thing tanks and you need to get out in a hurry. Now, what I do teach you is how to do automatic trades. So if your stock starts tanking, it sells without you even knowing it. You just get a note on your phone to say your stock sold. And that's what I teach in my classes, and that's what you'll do in that 60 days of trading. We're not going to be sitting in front of a screen watching it. So I'm going to teach you techniques of how to use the tools that are out there available for you. So when you look for someone to be your instructor or class, when will there be more classes throughout the year? Good question. What I did last year, I taught this class one time. And that was in April. My goal is to teach it 3 times in the year, but what's really going to happen is going to end up teaching it twice, probably in October. Now, I may do a summer session. I like to do a summer session for my students that are out of school, college students, and for grade school students that are out of school. But this past summer, I was so busy, I just couldn't get to it. So I know I will teach it at least one more time throughout the year. So I don't teach it on a regular basis. Because again, I got 6 months, I got people over here in this warm tribe that I'm constantly teaching them. And once you pay this kind of money with me, you get my attention. So I spend a lot of time in that graduate session.